Okay, first thing I'd recommend is just to rewrite the angle in a more familiar tone, which would be degrees for most students. Let me write that down for you. So 7, whoops, sorry about that. 7 pi over 12 times 180 degrees over pi. The pi's cancel off. And what do you get there? Let's take a look at it. 12 goes into 180, let's see, 15 times. So you get 7 times 15 degrees. And then 7 times 15 is what? It's going to be 70 and 35, 105 degrees. All right, so then the next thing to look at is, 105 is related to angles that I know about. I don't know 105 though. All right, and so I'm going to write this down as 105 degrees is equal to, looks like 60 and 45, right? They're two very familiar angles for me. So what I'm going to do is write down a cosine of 60 degrees plus 45 degrees. If you prefer to use radian measuring, let's write that down. It would be the cosine, well, 60 would be pi over 3, and 45 would be pi over 4. If you were to add those two numbers together, you come out of 12, and you get 7 pi over 12. And there's no surprise there. Let's just go through the arithmetic, though. And it's going to be a cosine of 60 degrees times a cosine of 45 degrees. Very familiar to me. And then minus the sine of 60 and the sine of 45 degrees. All right? Relatively simple to do. The cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2. Let's see, the cosine of 45 degrees is 1 over root 2. Minus the sine of 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. Times the sine of 45 degrees, 1 over root 2. What do you get? Common derivative of 2 root 2's. And the numerator would be 1 minus root 3. Put a box on that. And I want to look at the key and see if we got that. And I did. It's right over here. Now, I realize some students look and say, I want to rationalize that. You can. I don't mind you doing that. To rationalize that, you multiply the top and bottom by root 2. Let me put that down for you for the students that are interested in doing that. What would that give you? On the bottom, it would give you 4. On the top, you get root 2 minus root 6. And that's also a fine answer. I think this one looks easier for me to write down now. That's why I put it down. Thank you.